Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me such a great opportunity to speak on Republic Day. Today we all are here to celebrate 73rd Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should congratulate each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate Republic Day in India on 26th January every year. Because the Constitution of India came into force on this day, we have been celebrating Republic Day of India continuously since 1950. Republic means the supreme power of the people in the country, and only the people have right to choose their representative as political leaders to lead the country in the right direction. Therefore, India is a republic country where the people choose their leader as the Prime Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, our great Indian freedom fighters fought aloud to make India free from British rule. He sacrificed his life so that his future generation does not have to struggle and they take the country forward. India is a democratic country where the people are empowered to choose their leader to lead country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of our independent India, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister, and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first education minister of our India. Ever since we got independence from British rule in 1947, our country has developed aloud, is counted among the most powerful countries. But unfortunately, with the development, some shortcomings have also arisen, like inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, etc. We need to take our pledge today to solve such problems in society. Now, I am going to end my speech with these words. Thank you so much.